Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Muhammad Asif and I am the student of the Voice of Wisdom in English language. Okay. First of all, I am really thankful to my teacher Saryas Khandurani, who has given me this golden opportunity to deliver my mini lecture and express my knowledge. And secondly, I am really thankful to my classmates that they have given me their precious time to listen my mini lecture. Today I am representing my mini lecture, and coming towards my mini lecture titles, first of all I want to make you understand how human beings can digest, and how plants can means their mode of nutrition is photosynthetic, and how animals are absorptive. So today the lecture is the same. First of all, I will tell you what is autotrophs. Can anyone tell me what is autotrophs? No. So I will tell you the means. Autotrophs means those living organisms which can prepare their foods. Means they are dependent. Means they are independent. They are not dependent upon someone. Means upon some living organisms. They are called autotrophs. So coming towards what is autotrophs? What are autotrophs? Autotrophs are plants. First of all, I want to tell you those living organisms which can prepare their food, that is called autotrophs. For example, plants are autotrophs. How? Here the question arises, how plants can prepare their food. Yeah, so plants can prepare their food with the help of means when we make a structure of plants like this, that is plant. Its nucleus inside the plant means, and that is chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast there is chlorophyll. With the help of chlorophyll they are means preparing their foods. Means for chlorophyll means those foods which can prepare by the sun. With the help of sun they are preparing that their food. So that process is known as photosynthetic. So plants are photosynthetic and they are autotrophs. Only plants are autotrophs, and plants can, because they have chlorophyll in their cell. Coming towards what is the second thing, that is heterotrophs. What is heterotrophs? Can anyone tell me?
Who cannot prepare their foods.
Yeah, who cannot prepare their foods. For example, can you tell me? Yeah, human beings cannot prepare their food. They are means independent. They are dependent upon means human beings, animals. They are dependent upon. That is, for example, human beings. Our scientific name is Homo sapiens. Heterotrophs. Human being's scientific name is Homo sapiens. Homo is genus and sapien is a species. So that is called, our human beings cannot prepare. How they cannot prepare? Because we do not have chlorophyll. We are searching for food here and there. Because plants can prepare their food with the help of sun, and they have chlorophyll. That's why they are preparing. We do not have chlorophyll. That's why in our cell we do not have a chlorophyll. That's why we are not autotrophs. We are heterotrophic organisms. That's why we can't prepare our food. And secondly, that is many means Aristotle in 18th century, he discovered some two kingdoms. One is plants and one is animal. He classified two kingdoms. One is animal and one is plants. So then after him, Robert Whittaker in 1969, he came that he discovered means one is he classified kingdom Monera, second he classified kingdom Fungi, and number third he classified kingdom Protista. So he classified these three kingdoms into means in plants he also discovered some kingdoms, and in animals he also discovered classified. So after that Robert Whittaker said that why not to means describe in detail. When he described in detail, then there was two things. One was prokaryotes. Can anyone tell me what is prokaryotes? Yeah, that's also fine. But today the new thing which I am sharing with you, that is pro means without, and karyotes means nucleus. Those living organisms which do not have nucleus in their cells. For example, can anyone tell me what is which organisms do not have means nucleus in their cell? The major thing, that is Monera, kingdom Monera. Today we are talking about kingdoms. That is kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera. You must have seen on the roads, means the dogs means they are died on the roads, and their bacteria on our body, we are affected by the bacteria of dogs and cats which they are died on the roads. So the bacteria is made up of Monera, and its another name is cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. Monera has its own two names. One is bacteria, one is cyanobacteria. So when we are affected, when we affect any kind of virus that is affected by viruses, that is called kingdom Monera. We are affected by bacteria. Means in our body, when we are ill and we are sick, that's why its causes is due to Monera, kingdom Monera. And what is here? I will write eukaryotes. Eukaryotes mean with nucleus. Those living organisms which has nucleus in their cells. For example, human beings. We are in the category of kingdom Animalia. Means we animals, human beings, they all are in the category of kingdom Animalia, which Aristotle has classified in 18th century. Can anyone tell me how means our body is made up of how many cells? Different kind of cells. Our body is made up of 200 different kinds of cells. Our body is made up of 10 trillion cells. Our body is made up of means a lots of cells, means trillion cells, like this our body is made up of. So 200 different kind of cells our body, Allah Almighty has made our cell different from different kinds of cells, means 200 different kind of cells. Their names we will find in different kind of books. In any book we can find 5 names. In any book, when we want to study, we will find five names. So we are talking about here that how human beings we have nucleus. Structure, we have nucleus, but kingdom Monera structure is here. They do not have this nucleus, and they have another organelles like Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and rough endoplasmic reticulum. They have another organelles, but they do not have nucleus. Why? Because they are prokaryotic organism. So we have nucleus. Cell wall. No, human beings do not have cell wall. Why? Because human beings do not have cell wall in their cells. And another kingdoms they have cell wall, like kingdom Monera has, kingdom Protista has, kingdom Fungi has, and kingdom plants has. One kingdom they do not have their cell wall, that is Animalia. So kingdom Animalia do not have their cell wall. I will write their names. Cell wall, kingdom. Kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera means cell wall name is peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is made up of means proteins and cellulose and many kinds of proteins and ATP. So that is peptidoglycan, which is the cell wall of kingdom Monera. And kingdom Protista, which is Cellulia. Cellulia, which cell wall is made up of Cellulia. And kingdom Fungi, which is means chitin. Chitin means protein. Protein is made up of amino acids. And many other ribosomes and DNA, when they combine, that's called nucleic acid. Nucleic acid will, when they attach, that's called proteins. And after that, coming towards plants. Plants are multicellular eukaryotes. Prokaryotes has its own two. One is unicellular, one is multicellular. Multicellular kingdom Algae, and unicellular are means amoeba, paramecium, euglena. They are called unicellular. So our means plants are made multicellular, and animals are also, because when we take one cell from any kind of means from a leaf, when we take a single cell, we will find lots of cells in plants and animals. So our body is made up of lots of cells. That's why we are eukaryotes and we have nucleus in our cells. So it was my mini lecture. Thank you so much.